Hey Mark, I just wanted to let you know that all of the kids have done their assignment. I made a little assignment inside my module and all of them did it. Actually, I showed them how to do it this morning and then they did it immediately after that. One of them forgot to upload her results. Well, that's mine. I didn't mean to do mine. I want to show you theirs. Um, they uploaded their results. I gave them two ways to do it. They could either take a screenshot or do their score like I did here, or like most of them, some of them did that way. Some of them just took a picture, a screenshot like this. Um, they all put something in there to show that they did the work. Some of them wrote it on paper. Of course, Liam told on himself that, well, I clicked the wrong thing because, he wanted it to be perfect. Some of them wrote it on paper, but they all got it done. So I hope this helps take one thing off your plate. Your class is good to go for this one, at least Miss Tate's third grade class. And prayers for your family.